girl from the ghetto, hear my retro. Stepping at them dancing and claps. When the rest of them a beat them stiletto. When we step it off the echo, run through them city like a metro. Silencio. Aye, we not no time for dirty.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Makeup by Sunrise. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? Make sure you click that red button down below to subscribe so you can join the crew and know what's going on with me always. Also, make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you get an alert every time I post something to my channel. Today we are throwing it back to the 90s. I hope you guys enjoyed this little flashback inspired makeup. Let me know down in the comments. Also, for my girls who are trying to go blonde, or you did the big chop recently and want to create something with your short hair, let me know if you want a tutorial on how I style my hair for this video. Hey guys, just before we start the video, I just want to thank you so much for getting me to 100 subscribers. Let's keep the numbers rolling. Let's see if we can get up to 150 and so on and so forth. Thank you so much for sticking around, watching my videos, sharing them, and commenting below in the comment section. So for today, we're doing a 90s look, doing very traditional. The main goal with the 90s look for me is to make sure that the skin is matte. And when I say matte, M-A-T-T-E, like just porcelain skin where it's looking very natural. It kind of almost looks like you don't have on makeup, but we know you got on makeup. That type of tease. So I just finished applying my primer. Now we're going to move on to the eyebrows. I'm going to use a dual tip eyebrow pencil that I got from the beauty supply store. And you just want to make sure when you're filling in your brows, you stick within the natural shape of your eyebrow. Now, this trick is going to come in handy because when you look at old pictures from the 90s, or if you lived through that era, back then the eyebrows were very skinny, kind of long, very to the point, sometimes very bold and dark. But today we're not going to go too dark. I'm just going to make sure that it's bold enough along with my blonde hair that I have now that you can see the contrast, if you get what I'm saying. Now I'm going to go in with some concealer underneath my eyebrows. I'm going to use a soft felt tip brush with a little bit of water sprayed on it. And this is just going to help me create a clean base for my eyeshadow, along with just cleaning up underneath the eyebrow and slimming out the eyebrow on the bottom tier. This concealer that I'm using is very thick. It's not the normal concealer that I usually use, which is the Fenty one. But I said, you know what, let me try something different for today, given the type of look that we're doing. So I'm just going to clean up the brow and add some setting powder, which is also going to help us create this clean canvas for the eyeshadow that I'm going to apply. Now that we've blurred out the eyeliner with our smudge brush, you're going to pick up any brown shadow that you have, preferably like a milk chocolate eyeshadow. I'm using the one from the Zulu palette by Juvia's, and I'm going to use my fluffy brush to apply that color all over. This is a one eyeshadow type of look. So we're gonna go back in with the black eyeliner. This is just me touching up some parts where I lost some color with the brown eyeshadow. I'm gonna touch it up on both eyes. Then I'm gonna move on, put some black eyeliner on my waterline, smudge that out, and then we're gonna do the face. Now that everything is looking all smoky and vampy and just very, you know, sexy and seductive, we're going to move on to the face. I'm going to be using this Velvet Matte foundation by Juvia's Place, and then I'm going to use that same Tarte Cosmetics concealer under my eye and all in the other highlighted areas. Now for the foundation, at first glance it looks like it's a match, but this foundation, however, is a little too dark for me. Even with the little bit of tan that I have from being at work, I've been working outdoors as of lately, it's just a little bit too dark. So the concealer is going to take part in this, as well as the setting powder, to help brighten the foundation a little bit. So I started setting underneath my eye, but I just wanted to show you this part of how I blur out underneath my eye in the matter of seconds. When I tell you this application is just smooth, it's mind-blowing that I just caught it on camera like this. So you see those little shiny wet parts underneath my eye? Look what this powder does to it. Just look. Boom, just smooth skin. Like, this just looks like it's Photoshop, which is so crazy to me. Like, the best applicator for your setting powder. Now we're gonna move on and just add some more definition to the face. I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance contour palette. I don't want to do too much, but I want to make sure that my nose is still prominent on my face. Like, you see my snatched nose, my snatched cheekbones, the jawline, that kind of thing. Now that the face is set and ready, it's smooth, it's blurred, it's matte, we're going to touch up the last bit of things on the eyes. You're going to go back in with your pencil on the waterline. You're going to touch it up with some brown eyeshadow to smoke it out. And then you're going to go in with your mascara. The mascara is the most important part for the eyes because this is what makes the eyes pop. Use a mascara that elongates your natural eyelashes. This helps us out a whole lot so that you don't have to add falsies. However, if you do want to add falsies, get some falsies that are quote-unquote natural. They're kind of thin, but cut them in half and add it to the corners of your eye where they flare out. That will be your best bet. And then now you're going to use your setting spray. Now, I'm not going to use a matte setting spray because we already did a whole face of matte products. I'm going to use the Smashbox Set and Ready setting spray, which is like a mist. So it basically helps set all those powders that we put on top of our foundation and concealer just to make sure that we stay hydrated. You could use either or, a black lip liner or a dark brown lip liner. I chose to use both. I'm first going to go in with the dark brown one, and then I'm going to use the black lip liner on top of it very lightly. I'm going to close my lips together to kind of like blend it out and use my fingers a little bit. The black liner I use on top of the brown is because I want to accentuate my lips and, you know, just make it pop more. Then I'm going to go in with NYX Cosmetics Soft Matte Lip Cream in Berlin. So at this point, you can stop and that can be your lippy right there. But I went ahead and did another movement forward, and I chose to go in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Hot Chocolate right on top. And this just set off the whole look for me, to be honest. Like brown on brown on brown. You can't go wrong. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, share with your family, share with your auntie. You know that Freaknik documentary is out somewhere. I think it's on Hulu or one of those streaming services. But like I said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.